Ja, dus hij ben er niet aan. Nee, I'm not fun. Oh my God, that's why. What am I videoing? I'm videoing you now.
Why?
I own rednecksgonewild.com.
Oh, that's what
and you're on TV.
Hi.
You would like to tell everybody hello?
Hello.
What's your name?
Kelly.
Kelly?
Yep.
Where you from?
Here.
Milton?
Chumuckla.
Chumuckla?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Are you having a good time today?
Yes, sir.
Cool. You gonna come to the second annual Rednecks Gone Wild 2 float?
Where's that?
I don't know. We don't know yet. Most likely it could be here again. Bob's Canoes. Awesome. Hey Kelly, I wish I would have gotten your phone number. Find me on Facebook. There's my profile picture. My name on Facebook is Mudbogger. MUD space BOGGER. I'd love to talk to you again. You're gonna be on TV. We're just getting people acting drunk and stupid.
I'm not drunk.
No.
Sober.
That makes for good video though. When you introduce yourself.
Yeah. I'm like an hour late because...
She's still talking, folks.
Shut up.
No, that's for good. Everybody wants to hear what you're saying. If I'd have turned it off, they'd have been saying, what did she, you should have kept that going, you know. I know that nobody can hear us anyway because of the music, but we'll go ahead and cut this off. No. She's a good sport, isn't she? Okay, we will cut this. I can't see where the camera's pointing, so it's good luck on being on the video. What? They're going in the bushes over there. Edit this clip to the zoom option. And I'm gonna try to drink a beer. I've been having a hard time. I'm doing pretty damn good. She's got that shit right. I'm doing pretty damn good. Actually, I had a Charlie horse, and I got rid of that, so everything's fine. Rednecks Gone Wild! Almost fell out. I'll catch up with you. Look, y'all don't do what they do. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. They have me captive. These folks have been captive for a little while. Folks, they don't know they're being recorded. I turned the camera on secret where nobody knows. This is a secret. I'm sneaking up on them like a cougar with a camera. Here's the Rednecks Gone Wild camera. They don't know it's coming. They getting drunk and acting foolish and saying things they don't know they're being recorded. Grab that bottle. Grab that bottle.
I'm hoping that's what happened.
Yeah. There's people everywhere coming up the river. These people probably know they're being recorded by now.
I didn't want to fix my bottle.
Excuse me, ma'am. You're gonna be on TV. We'll turn it off before you fix your bottoms.
I can't fix it. Okay. Now I can fix my bottle.
Folks, this clip here, we're gonna get a buddy of mine from
Birmingham, Alabama.
Birmingham, Alabama, all the way down here to Milton, Florida for the Rednecks Gone Wild first annual River 2 float. He's gonna get a little bit of iced tea. How you like that iced tea? What kind of tea you got there? Show everybody the label. Lipton Brisk. Is that good stuff?
Oh, yeah.
He didn't breathe twice, folks. He took it like a champ. And I'll tell you what, if anybody, all y'all been watching my videos long enough, yeah, especially for my Canadian friends,
Hey, this
y'all
motherfucker got a camera. Watch it.
y'all know what was, look out for that. Well, who does?
Hey,
Look out, this guy's got a camera. Watch out for You on TV now. What's your name?
Chad,
Where you from?
right here,
Milton, Florida?
Milton, Florida.
All right, did you come here for the Rednecks Gone Wild event?
Hell, I'm redneck every day.
Right on. Hell yeah, 2014,
pissed
folks.
in the creek.
He pissed in, where else?
I just pissed in the creek.
Where else you gonna piss? Hey, tell all them people
And they
down
say
there-
there ain't no warm springs in cold water.
you still got some spring to it? Boing. We better cut this clip.